Hi, this is Miss Elza with student Emily at the Russian Music Academy of America. We're going to learn Hanon number 31 and going to show you the little tricks how we jumping the octaves. Emily has a small hands, but we're going to be skilled on the jumps. So 31, Emily, find the notes. It's E, E, Continue, so you octave, interval second, keep going, one by one. When you reach F, interval seventh, you make a new jump to the octave. So don't be afraid to move your hand. If you cannot reach, it's totally okay. Disconnect and jump. Small hands also can play the piano. Go. You missed the interval. So second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, up, seven, and after that we jump to new octave, right? Okay, one more time. Second, third, fourth, fifth, Emily, fifth, sixth, seven, good, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, jump to the new and so on. Very good. So now going opposite direction, we start with E, and now our octaves down gonna be reverse direction, not up but down. So E, E, but the same second and third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, octave. And so on. Emily, try. And so on. Good. If you can reach 7, perfect. Octave, Emily cannot reach the octave, so she's gonna simply jump. Okay, let's check left hand. Left hand does the same thing, only interval thirds down. So it's gonna be eventually and so on. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something.